Hello friends, TODOCOPE mini chainsaw, mini circular saw, pardon me. It's got a laser. It is corded 5.8 amps. We turn the laser, well, the laser is turned on with a button over here. 4.5-inch blade. It is 3,500 RPMs and 1.8-inch cut depth at 45 degrees. 1 1/8 inch cut depth, cutting at 45 degrees. The safety button is here, triggers here. The cutting blade has a arrow and it spins clockwise. So I'll test it with a cut, and you will see. Show you a quick run of it without any kind of wood. And the laser is on.